Let's look at the carrier plastic bag pickup attachment and the run. The initial thought process was to use a carabiner attachment. The carabiner attachment has parts that move in one direction but does not move the other direction because it has a stopper on this side. So it's helpful in picking up loops like this where you just drag it, and since the axles are touching the mat, you can drag it all the way to the base if you need to. But there's an issue with this. If you want to, let's say, drag and then go other direction to do something, you would result in this slipping out of the attachment. So the purpose behind wanting to do multiple missions is to save some time. Let's look at what we can do here. When we go pick up the plastic loop from this, we also drop the carriers in this place, and then we come back to the base. Now, we did have another mission where animals are placed in a circle. The thought that comes into my mind is that since we are already here, why don't we just go and drop the animals that we have here and thus save time by a lot, maybe 15-20 seconds at least. So let's see what we need to do first. First, we need to change this carabiner attachment. So the attachment of the carabiner now works the same way. Just one axle that moves in one direction does not move the other direction, but it has two axles in the bottom to hold the loop, so that the loop is still part of the attachment and not dependent on the mat to be dragged. So we can drag it back, works great, but still there's an issue that if you move forward, you happen to lose the piece here. The reason is because there is nothing under that holds it. So quick solution to that would be to add two L axle connectors here. And now let's see how it would behave. Now on this side, we come, we go, grab it, come back, move forward, move left, right. It is secure because it's now completely locked in place. That's one thing. So let's go back and see the second part. This is where the carriers go in. Now on this side, you have a box that, say you got some animals inside this. They come into a circle, and then through this door that opens, you could always come out of the circle, leaving the animals in place. So let's come to the base and see how we think it could work. Again, this attachment has the pinless attachment, making it a little more easier to put it into the robo in place, and in a few seconds it's ready. You position, drop your animals inside this box, take the carriers, put it here. So pick up the plastic bag through this carabiner attachment, an attachment just to push the carriers, and then we have the animals inside this box. And to the dog gear, we have the attachment connecting to it. Thus we can operate the medium motor to lift the door and close it. So if I have positioned it correctly, let's see how it runs. You ready? Very close. With some minor adjustments to the programming, it is possible to accomplish this. And when we detach, we just take it out, and there we are.